Name?
Small problem. I forgot it.
You forgot your own name?
In my defense, I panicked. This place is very shiny.
Great. Anything memorable you did on Earth?
Yes! I once shouted amen really loudly. Finally, something. Church moment, revival, movie theater, explosion scene. You yelled amen during an explosion? It felt spiritually accurate.
I'm going to need a bigger book.
Wow, I actually made it in?
Oh, you're the explosion amen guy. We heard about you.
Wait, that helped? Helped? No, we're just curious.
Stop everything! I found a footnote!
A footnote, no?
Subject confused but enthusiastic.
Sounds about right.
Fine, stay. But no shouting amen during thunder.
No promises.
Amen!
I just fixed that page!